In this video, we're going to look at the service planner, which allows you to create an itinerary for your church services and keep your entire team on the same page. Okay, before we get into the actual service planner, I want to show you two things. First, from the menu, go to Events and choose Documents. This is where you can upload and store documents such as PDFs, Word documents, MP3 files, and a lot more. And these documents can be used in your service plan. Next, from the Events tab, you'll see Songs. And this is where you can build song files that can be added to your service plans. You can add chord charts, lyric sheets. There's a built-in YouTube search and iTunes search. Then when you add one of these song files to your service plan, all of your singers and musicians will have access to all the resources inside that song file. Okay, to access the service planner, from the Events tab, open your calendar and click on the event that you want to create a plan for, then click Plan. So this service already has a plan created. You can see the different sections and the different items in that section. This church service begins at 10:30. You can see here on the left side, each item has an expected time, how many minutes, and the time frame that it should take. So we have a 5-minute pre-service countdown. There's 3 songs, and if you click this little icon, you can view the resources within that song file. And this is incredibly helpful for your musicians who are using the Faith Team's mobile app because they can access chord charts, etc., straight from the service plan. Then we have a time for offering, prayer, transition. Then Pastor John's going to preach for about 35 minutes. And then we have a closing song and an altar call. To add headers, songs, or other items to this plan, click the blue plus symbol. There's also several things you can do from the Actions button. You can download your plan. You can see a list of volunteers who are scheduled for this service, and you can even schedule volunteers right from this window. You can save this plan as a template to use later, and of course you can load a template that you've previously saved. That's an overview of the service planner. It's incredibly helpful for your worship team. It's also helpful for things like scheduling out a marriage conference that you have at your church to keep everybody on the same page. All right, if you got any questions about the service planner or anything else, please let us know, and we'll see you in the next video.